In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation tabs in Looker Studio. If you've ever wanted your reports to feel more organized and easier for viewers to browse, tabs are a simple, polished way to make that happen. We'll keep this straightforward and focus on the steps that matter, while adding a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your report and adding the pages you want to include in your navigation. At the top bar, click Add Page to create each page you plan to show as a tab. Think of each page as a section of your story: overview, trends, details, whatever makes sense for your audience. It's a good idea to add all the pages you need now, because those will become the tabs once we turn on tab navigation. Next, head to the top bar and click Theme and Layout. This is where you control the look and structure of your report. When you click it, a pane will open on the right side of your screen. This panel holds global settings, so any changes you make here apply across the entire report, not just a single page. In that right-hand panel, switch to the Layout tab. Here, you'll find a setting labeled Navigation Type. This setting controls how users move between the pages of your report. By default, you might see options like left side navigation or none at all, but we're going to change that. Set Navigation Type to Tab. The moment you choose Tab, your report will display a row of tabs across the top, one for each page you added. This creates a clean, familiar interface that lets viewers jump directly to the content they need. The tabs will adopt your theme styles, so everything stays consistent with your branding. To make those tabs clear and helpful, rename your pages. When you rename a page, the tab label updates automatically, so your navigation stays tidy. You can rename a page by selecting the page title and editing it, or by using the page settings in the report interface. Keep names short, descriptive, and consistent. Think Overview, Sales, Marketing, or Support, so viewers can understand where to go at a glance. And that's it. You've added your pages, switched the navigation to tabs, and labeled them clearly. With just these steps, your Looker Studio report becomes far more intuitive, professional, and user-friendly.